All right, what's up, workshop? We're gonna do this split in half because I've only got a few minutes before I gotta go to my computer science lab. So, first half right now. What was yesterday? What did we learn? It was basically sales and leads problems and their solutions. So, leads, more better ads, more better content, better avatar, better offer, better money model. Sales, this is where we actually were left off, I think. Better CRO, conversion rate optimization. Was it better lead nurturing? I think so. Anyway, no matter what solution we're choosing to solve the constraint, whether that be sales, leads, whatever, we want to use the solution that's most likely to have the highest rate of success with our current resources and tools and knowledge and skills. No, we didn't leave off there. Better sales process, VSL. So video sales letter is a VSL, and he's saying that before every sales consult, you should have a VSL, setting up the sales consult. If you have a two call close, you should have two VSLs. So we're gonna learn a lot more about these VSLs right now. So video that precedes it. Okay, I'm gonna jump back into the video and then I'll be back to recall in a little bit. All right, so we finished up the VSL section of the video. Essentially, should be about 5 to 8 minutes long. It should intro with the 5 P's, basically the promise, the pain point, the plan, the proof, and then the picture, the visual information to show you like the steps or whatever. And then you go down like basically 3 to 5 of the biggest objections. Okay, so the whole point of the VSL, I'm getting a little ahead of myself. You want to take everything that you're going to just repeat anyway in a sales call, everything that's repeated, you put it all in a video. So you're setting up the person to already have all the information. You're just there as a salesperson to help them make the decision and personalize it a little bit. So 3 to 5 of the biggest objectives come after that first 5 P's intro, 3 to 5 of them. And basically it's like what they think, why that's wrong, what's right, proof. Next objection, same thing. Next objection, same thing. And then at the end, call to action slash offer. And the call to action being something like go ahead and text us this, whatever this is, what color shirt you want, or how many years of whatever, so that they, first of all, so you know that they've watched it, right? And then finally, just more proof roll at the end. And also for the VSL, a good lead nurturing tip is to basically send it to them send it to them and say like, here's a video we'd like you to watch, blah, blah, blah. It's just easier to show you now rather than trying to explain it all while you're here. It just makes everything more streamlined and efficient for both of us. Would you like to watch it on your own or with us? Or with us or on your own? And people say on your own, on their own. And so then when they show up, if you haven't got what this call to action text was, then you can say, oh, I haven't seen it. Would you mind pulling that up and just watching it just because, whatever. I can't explain. It's a lot easier. It has all the graphics. It's a lot easier to show you and explain it rather than me trying to do it with my hands. All right, that's the VSL. We're pretty much done with that section, but I gotta go to class, so I'll finish this when I get back. All right, I'm back. Let's finish this up for the day. All right. So, oh shoot. Oh, we finished up. Oh, sorry, I didn't finish up. We just kept watching a little more. We did finish up on the sales, if the sales is the problem. So better CRO, better sales system with the VSL, etc. Better nurturing, better avatar, better qualifications. talked about BANT, BANT, I think. Do you have, it's like pre-qualifying. So do you have the budget? Do you have the authority to make the decision? Do you have the need? Do you have is the timing right? Better payment plans. That's another one for sales. Then we started getting into the third, we already talked about, this is the third one. It's like if CAC is good, but profit's not good. So here's the solutions. Potential solutions. You can increase price, you can decrease costs, you can do upsells and ascensions. What else am I missing? Increase frequency, so get them to purchase more, buy again. It's very similar. Cross sells. Then he talks about upsells. He says there's 5 different places for upsells, potentially. Like immediately, 24 to 48 hours in, at the first milestone, halfway through, and then at the end. So, was I missing something on sales? Sales training, sales process, reputation, and it's lead quality. And then it's better payment options. So that's it for today. There's so much good stuff in this workshop. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous, dude. Like, we are so many pages of notes in so far. All right. Well, I guess you would know. This is like episode 11. Each of these are 25 minutes, so we're like 5.5 hours in, nearly. So that's it for today. I will talk to you tomorrow. See ya.